know it's been a minute since you saw me, since I've been with you, but guess what? I am back at it. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you a few ways that I like to style an old twist out. So I had been wearing a twist out for the last few days. I did it a few days ago, and I've been wearing my hair. And if you have been watching my hair videos for a while, you'll know that my hair gets poofy really fast. It'll be defined on like the first day, maybe the second day, but it gets really poofy and plush over the next few days. So I like to switch it up and style it out. So I've been wearing it out lately, and then I like to obviously do a quick wild bun. So I'm going to show you a few ways, so go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get alerted any and every time I'll go live. And make sure to leave me a comment, how do you style your old twist out? And I'm just doing something just bizarre here, leaving out a little flang here and calling it a day.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if you like Shine and Gem. Comment below if you like Shine and Gem. It's like the ultimate edge control, the ultimate gem to use on the hair. I love the shine, and I also love how it gets the hair sleek. For me, Shine and Gem will usually last a whole day. I have tried other edge controls, but I haven't still found one that I like. Comment below if you found an edge control that will last. I have tried a few that say it will last 3 days, 24 hours or more, and it hasn't happened. But I do love Shine and Gem, always come through, but you just have to continuously, or I have to continuously add it each day that I want to use it. So let me know, how about you? Alright guys, I hope you enjoy those 3 simple looks, easy to do with old twist outs. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll be back at you with the next one.